Check out this fantastic home in Scenic Estates. This home features an open floor plan with primary suite on the main level. There are 3 additional bedrooms on the upper level and a large bonus room. The finished basement has a sizable family room, exercise room and additional room that could be used as a non-conforming bedroom, office or den. There are 3 full bathrooms and a half bath. The living room is filled with light and has vaulted ceilings and a beautiful fireplace. You are sure to love the designer updated paint throughout, upscale cork flooring and new kitchen. The home sits at the end of a cul-de-sac with a private backyard with a patio. This home is designed for living and is ready for you. Schedule your personal tour today.